Hello everyone, welcome to Najla's Kitchen. Today we are learning how to make almond cake. The almond flour makes this cake moist and tender, especially with dry apricot. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's begin. Our almonds cake ingredients are 1 cup butter, room temperature, 1 cup powdered sugar, 4 eggs, 2/3 cup flour, 7 tablespoons almond flour, 1 cup chopped dried apricot, 1 tablespoon orange zest, 2 tablespoons sliced almonds, 2 teaspoons baking powder. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Spray the pan by using baking spray. In a mixing bowl, blend the butter and sugar using an electric mixer and add the eggs one by one while continuing to mix. Scrape side and bottom. Sift flour and almond flour. Add in the flour, almond powder, apricots, and orange zest. Mix well. pour the batter into a prepared pan. Spread the almonds over. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 minutes in the oven, now our cake ready to take it out. And let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then invert over the wire rack to cool completely. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question about the video or suggestion for future videos, please leave me a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and like.